Hey, Heather here. In this video, I'm going to show you how your clients can manage their subscriptions. Your clients can easily cancel their subscriptions, they can manage their invoices, and they will get advanced filtering options in the clients portal area. So let's dive into the clients portal area and let's see how it works. So here you can see we have two groups in our community, and you can see the investment money and investment capital lead. So for investment money, the capital lead is $49 per month, investment money is $29 per month. If you go to the settings and subscriptions, from here you can add the subscription. Like its price is $29, it's recurring and monthly billing, and this is already in dashboard, so I can test and show you how it works. So let's test it. I'll open this link in incognito. So you can see like this is for $29. I'm going to test the investment money for $29. I'll log in. So I have successfully logged in, and now I'm going to test purchase. Confirm payment. Confirm. So currently the membership is pending. I have to. So I have approved this, and you can see I can see all the posts in the group, all the members in the group. So for managing my subscriptions, I'll go to my profile picture, account settings, and you can see the billing and subscription tab here, and I need the code again. I put the code. So I'm going to paste the confirmation code and it allow me to go to my billing and subscription setting. So you can see here like three tabs: subscriptions, invoices, and transactions. For the subscriptions, what we can do, or if we click on three dots, we can view our subscription, cancel it, and share the update payment link. Like if we share this payment link to update the payment method, it will go to the payment page and you can update your card there. So you can view your subscription and cancel it from here. So no invoices currently, and transaction, you can see these two transactions. Like you can view these, and for invoices you can download the invoices, and there is another feature like the advanced filter options. You can apply the filter status and then get all the filters here. So that's all. This is an amazing feature. This will save a lot of time of your clients. And if you are using this clients portal feature, you should share this with your clients so you can save their time. That's all. Thanks.